Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add or change your home and work address on Apple Maps step by step. This works for most newer iPhones, especially if you're using iOS 18 or later. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Once Maps opens, look near the bottom of the screen and scroll down until you see Places. Under Home or Work, tap Add. Now, tap the search field and type the address you want to set as your home or work location. When the correct address appears in the results, tap it. After that, tap Done. That's it. Your home or work address is now saved in Apple Maps, so you can quickly get directions, check travel time, and access it more easily later. Now, let's say your home or work address is already saved, but it's wrong or outdated. Open Apple Maps again. Scroll down to Places and find the saved home or work location you want to change. Tap and hold that address. A menu should appear. Tap Edit Details. From here, you can adjust the label, change the type, or refine the exact location on the map. For example, if Apple Maps saved the pin slightly away from your real building entrance, tap Refine Location on the map. Then move the map until the pin is placed exactly where you want it. When everything looks correct, tap Done. Now Apple Maps will use the updated location. There's one more place you may want to check, the Contacts app. This is important because your contact card can be used by Siri, autofill, weather, and other Apple features. Open the Contacts app. At the top, tap My Card. Then tap Edit. Scroll down to your address section. If you already have an old home or work address, tap the address fields and update them. If you don't have one yet, tap Add Address, then enter your home or work address. Make sure the label is correct. For example, choose Home for your home address or Work for your work address. When you're finished, tap Done. If you want to remove an old home or work address from Apple Maps, go back to the Maps app. Scroll to Places. Find the address you want to remove. Tap and hold it. Then tap Unpin. This removes that saved location from Apple Maps. If the old address still appears somewhere else, also check your Contacts app and update or delete it from My Card. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and leave a comment if you want a tutorial on how to fix Apple Maps showing the wrong location. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.